Welcome, dear children, after the Diwali vacation. I hope you all have enjoyed the vacation. Now let us begin with the second term studies. We'll start with English grammar. The topic is adjectives. What are adjectives? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. I repeat once again and you can read along with me. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It is also called as describing word because it describes a noun. What is a noun? Name of a person, place, animal or thing. So the words which describes the noun are known as adjectives. Let us see few examples. First we'll read the examples. This is an interesting story. Jane is a smart girl. It was a long journey. There is a note given below. Adjectives generally occur before the nouns they describe. So in the first example, which is the noun? Yes, story. So, the adjectives come before the noun. That is interesting. How was the story? Interesting story. Then the next sentence, Jane is a smart girl. Now here, so which noun is described over here? Girl. Yes. So before girl, which is the word smart. How was the girl? Smart. So smart is the adjective. Next sentence, it was a long journey. How was the journey? Long journey. Journey is the noun word and before the noun comes the adjective. Long journey. So, the adjectives generally occur before the nouns they describe. Let's move ahead. Now here, again the same sentences are taken, same adjectives and same noun, but the places are little bit changed. Let us read first. The story is interesting. Jane is smart. The journey was long. Now here, what is done? Adjectives can also occur in the predicate without being followed by a noun. So here, the noun is not following the adjective. That means the noun is not with the adjectives. Okay. Now here, see in the first sentence, the story is interesting. The noun is here and the adjective is here. So the noun is not following the adjective. The noun here is in the subject and interesting, the adjective is come in the predicate. Jane is smart. Here, Jane is explained, is described as smart. Jane is a noun and smart is the adjective word. Next sentence, the journey was long. Here, the noun is journey and the adjective is long. So the journey, the noun is in the subject and long is in the predicate, which is the adjective. Formation of adjectives from other words. Now we can form adjectives. How we can form? By adding some suffixes. Suffixes means some endings to the main words. Example. Now these are the endings. We can also call it as suffixes. They are known as suffixes. These endings are added to a main word. They are able, full, ous, les is less, ish, ive, al, ary, ed, y. Let us see the examples. Now these suffixes are added to the words. Now see here. Depend, dependable, able is added to the main word at the end of the word. So they are known as suffixes which are added to the end of the word. Hope, hopeful. Danger, dangerous. Harm, harmless. Child, childish. Attract, attractive. Region, regional. Imagine, imaginary. Gift, gifted. Sleep, sleepy. You can read more examples from your book. Let us move to the exercise. I have solved few for you. You have to solve the entire exercise. First question is, choose suitable endings from the brackets and form adjectives from the words given below. Now here learn will become learned by adding ed. Courage will become courageous by adding ous. Wonder, wonderful by adding ful. Accident, accidental by adding al. Answer the other words on your own. The next question, underline the adjectives. They were skilled archers. So skilled is the adjective here. Next one, goldfish, goldfish, living deep, are you never sad? Now here, deep is the adjective. Where the goldfish is living? Deep. Are you never sad? Sad is also the adjective. Next one, he gave a loud and terrible roar. How was the roar? Loud and terrible. There were big jagged rocks at the bottom. How were the rocks? Big and jagged. So these are the adjective words. I hope children you have followed the exercise and followed what is adjectives. Read the lesson once again. Solve the entire exercise in the grammar book itself, and in the classwork notebook you will write 30 adjectives on your own. You can write the adjectives of your choice. You can take the examples from the grammar book also and add few more on your own also. So 30 adjectives write in your classwork. Continue the same classwork notebook which you have been using in the first term. Thank you, dear children, and have a nice day.